Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Student, look. Today our topic is Exercise 4.2, Creative Question Nong 1. Lecture Nong 10, SW Nong 9. At first, student, see the questions. A equal to 125 power p minus 11 into 25 power p plus 24, and b equal to 7 minus 5 into 5 power p. 2 number, L equal to 2 log 3x log 3x plus 6. Here 3 is the power basis, 3 is the basis plus 1. Now A number questions, log 7 2 equal to alpha, log 7 3 equal to beta, log 7 power 5 equal to gamma. Express log 7 of 15 by 2 in terms of alpha, beta, gamma. Okay? Okay students, so I will solve at first A number. Look, given that log 7 power 2 equal to alpha, log 7 power 3 equal to beta, and log 7 power 5 equal to gamma. Now we have to express log 7 15 by 2 in terms of alpha, beta and gamma. Look, this is log 7 15 by 2. We know the formula log of A m division n. This is equal to what? Log of m minus log of a n. Okay? We know this formula. So according to this formula, we have to write this as a log 7 15 minus log 7 2. Now this can be written as log 7 3 into 5 into 5 minus log 7 power 2. This can be written as a product of logarithm formula, log 7 3 plus log 7 5 minus log 7 2. Okay, look here, log 7 power 3, this is equal to what? This is equal to beta, right here beta, plus log 7 power 5, log 7 power 5, this is equal to gamma, this is gamma, minus log 7 power 2, this is equal to what? Alpha, right here alpha. Okay student, look, our question is what? Our question is, you have to express log 7 15 by 2 in terms of alpha, beta, gamma. You see, we have expressed log 7 15 by 2 here, beta, gamma and alpha. Okay, which is the required solution. Okay, now write, who is the required solution. Okay, now please read the question of B number. Okay students, see the question B number. If A equal to 7b, A equal to 7 into b, find the value of p. A equal to 7b, find the value of p. Students, see, in the stamp there is written A equal to 125 power p minus 11 into 25 power p plus 24, and b equal to 7 minus 5 into 5 power p. Okay, this information has given Using this information, we have to determine the value of A equal to 7B. Okay? Okay, now see the questions. Solution. Given A equal to 125 power P minus 11 into 25 power P plus 24 and B equal to 7 minus 5 into 5 power P. Now A equal to 7B. Now we have to find out the value of P. Look, you see here A equal to what? A equal to 125 P minus 11 into 25 power P plus 24. This equal to 7. 7 into B equal to 7 minus 5 into 5 power P. Look, A equal to 125 power P minus 11 into 25 power P plus 24 equal to 7 multiply with B. That means B equal to what? 7 minus 5 into 5 power P. Now simplify 125. We can write this 5 power 3 is equal to power P minus 11 into 5 square then power P plus 24. This equal to 49 minus 5 7 are 35 into 5 power P. Okay, student. Now write in here, look, 5 power 3 power P minus 11 into 5 square then power is P plus 24 then minus 49 plus 35 into 5 power P equal to 0. This is equal to what? This is equal to 0. Or this can be written as 5 power P 3 minus 11 into 5 power P power 2, 49 minus and plus, calculate, then we get 25 plus 35 into 5 power P. This is equal to 0. Okay, student, look here. Now assume 5 power P equal to A. Then A power 3 minus 11 into 5 power P means what? 5 power P means A square minus 25 plus 35 into A. Right here 0. Let 5 power P equal to A. Student, look here, 5 power P equal to A. So 5 power P equal to A, power 3 minus 11 A square minus 25 35, 5 power P means A equal to 0. Or this can be written as A cube minus 11 A square minus plus 35A minus 25 equal to 0. 11 A cube minus 11 A square plus 35A minus 25. Now if we put A equal to 1, then the value of this expression is 0. Okay, look, if A equal to 1, A equal to 1 means what? This is the rough 1 power 3, then 11 into 1 square, that means 1 35 1 minus 25. Look, this is 1 cube means 1 plus 35, 11 minus 25. 6, 36. That means 36. Okay? That means if we put a equal to 1, then the value of this expression, that means for the left hand side, is 0. Okay? Student, look here, a equal to 1. I have put here a equal to 1. Then a minus 1 will be its common factor. Okay? A minus 1 will be its common factor. A minus 1. Look, or is equal to what? A cube minus a square. Right here. That means use here remainder theorem. Then a square, then a minus 1. Now here minus 10 a square. Write a minus 1. That means right here 10a. 10a into a, that means 10a square. Minus minus a plus 10a. But look here, this is 35. So we need 25 again. Minus 25 equal to 0. Then 25 is the common, a minus 1 equal to 0. Student, look here, between this and this, a square is the common, then we get a minus 1 minus 10a square plus 10a, that means 10a is the common, then a minus 1. Minus plus a minus, plus 25, a minus 1. Now, you see, this is balance or not balance. A cube minus 1a square minus 10a square, that means minus 11a square. 10a plus 25a equal to 35a. Minus 25, minus 25. Okay? Now, see, here a minus 1 and a minus 1 is the common, then a square minus 10a plus 25 equal to 0. Then either a minus 1 equal to 0, neither a square minus 10a plus 25 equal to 0, or a equal to 1. You see, student, a equal to what? A equal to 5 power p. 5 power p and 1, or 1 we can write as a 5 power 0, because 5 power 0, that means what? 1. Not for 5 power 0, for any power of 0, this means 1. Okay? Now 5 vanish, therefore we get p equal to 0. Or in this side, a square minus 2 into a into 5 plus 5 square equal to 0. Now see, this is the formula as a square minus twice ab plus b square. Okay, this is the form. So we can write here a minus 5 then whole square equal to 0, or a minus 5 equal to 0, or a minus 5 equal to 5. A minus 5 equal to 0, therefore a equal to 5. Now a equal to what? A equal to 5 power p, and see 5 power we can write 1, because 5 power 1 means what? 5. Therefore 5 vanish, then p equal to what? P equal to 1. Okay, student? Therefore, the required value of p is 0 and 1, right? The required value of p is 1 and 0. Therefore, the required value of p is 1 and 0. Okay, this is the solution. Now question long C. Given given L equal to 2 log 3 power x minus log 3x plus 6 plus 1. This is given for L. Okay, now the question, if L equal to 2, then find the value of x. Okay, student? Look, given L equal to this. Also given L equal to 2. Now we have to determine the value of x. Okay, determine the value of x. Now you can write L equal to what? 2 log basis 3x minus log 3 power x plus 6 plus 1 equal to 2. L means this equal to 2 or 2 log 3, you can write like this way, minus log 3x plus 6 1 minus 2 equal to 0, or log 3x square minus log 3x plus 6 equal to minus 1 equal to 0, or log 3x square minus log 3x plus 6 equal to 1. Student, log 3x square minus log 3 power x plus 6. Okay, now use the formula for logarithm of division. Okay, you know log of a power m. Suppose you know division log of a power n. This is equal to what we know? Log of a power m by n. Okay, student, this is the formula for logarithm of division. You know log a power m minus log a power n equal to what? Log a of m by n. Okay. Now see, this is like this form. So we have to write log 3x square by x plus 6, and 1 can be written as log 3 power 3. We know log of a equal to what? 1. We know similarly log 3 power 3 equal to 1. Or you see here log 3 and log 3, this will be vanish. Then we get x square by x plus 6 equal to 3, or x square equal to 3x plus 3 6 are 18, or x square minus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. Now use the middle breakup method. X square minus 6x plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. Take here common x minus 6, then 3x minus 6 equal to 0, or x minus 6 into x plus 3 equal to 0. Write either x minus 6 equal to 0 or x equal to 6, neither x plus 3 equal to 0 or x equal to minus 3. Student, we know for logarithm x equal to minus 3. Okay, there is no logarithm for any minus value. Okay, or any there is no value for any negative value for logarithm. Okay, suppose log of minus 4. Okay, we can't determine the value of log of minus 4. Okay, but if this will be plus, then we get the result. Okay, but remember, for minus 4 or minus 6 like this way, or 14, or this step for negative, for the case of negative, we cannot determine the value of log. Okay, remember, for the case of only minus. Okay, so x equal to minus 3 is not acceptable for the logarithm. Okay, right, which is not acceptable. Okay, therefore the value of x equal to, therefore the required value of x is 6. Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. Now I will talk with you about HW. Look, your HW nong 9. Exercise 4.2, question nong 5, page nong 91. Page nong 91. You see, for this question, there is an example in page 90. Okay, page 90. You see, that means for solving this problem, you may help with the example nong 10. Okay, which is taken from a book, page nong 90. Okay, student. Okay, student. I hope you understood today's topic. Dear student, you have to submit this HW copy on every Saturday within 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and you beg this HW copy on next Saturday. Yes student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.